how to add hotel in booking.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually add hotel in booking.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add your hotels on booking.com, which means if you want to list your own property, you just need to open up the booking.com application. Then you want to come to the profile page from the bottom right, and then if you scroll, then you'll basically find the option called list your property under the partners tab, which means you need to be a booking.com partner. Then just click on the list your property, and then here you can see you can list your place on booking.com. Now if you've not done this before, this is going to be totally new to you. Then just click on the list your property option. It will take you to a page where you can sign up for a partner account. You can create a new listing, so just click on the get started button here. Once you click on get started, just make sure to enter your partner account, which could be your email address here. Once you click your email address, just click on the continue button. It will ask you to simply enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, and the phone number as well. So let me go ahead and then enter that. Once I enter my phone number, I'll just click on the next button. Then once I just click on the next button after this, I just need to click on next, verify the password that I want to create. So let me go ahead and do that as well. And once I actually select my password, I'll just click on the create account button. Now I would have created my booking.com's partner account, right? Now once I've created my partner account, it just asked me to verify the email. So I'm going to just go ahead and open my Gmail and then see if I've received any email from booking.com. As you can see, I have done received. I'll just select that email and then I'll just click on confirm my email in order to verify it. And once I verify this new email, I'll be done with creating my partner account, right? So let's wait until this page has been loaded. And now after I've done that, I can just select an appointment, or I can simply add my homes, or I can add a hotel, or I can add an alternative place. So let me also just come back to this specific page here. Now once I come back, I'll just refresh it this time, and then I'll just click on the list your property button. Click on list your property. And now once I've done that, you can continue my registration and then click on continue. I can create a new listing and then add hotels in that way. This is simply how you can actually add hotel in booking.com. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.